Welcome to the Rowan-Cabarrus Foundation Scholarship Portal tutorial. Students who wish to be considered for scholarships will complete the general application through this portal. The first step to get to the portal is to type www.rccc.edu/scholarships into your search bar. This will take you to the Foundation website scholarship page. On this page, you will find a link to apply to become a Rowan-Cabarrus student. There is also information about applying for scholarships, completing the FAFSA, important deadlines, and helpful hints. When you are ready to apply for a scholarship, click the Apply for a Scholarship button, which is at the left-hand side of the page. Using your Rowan-Cabarrus ID and password, log into the portal. The user ID is the beginning portion of your student email, and the password is the same as your student email password. All students will complete the general application, which includes general questions about you. This information will be used to determine your eligibility for most of the scholarships that the Foundation offers. Be sure to thoroughly tell your story, giving specific examples that answer each of the essay questions. These answers should be in your own words, not generated through AI. Each essay requires a minimum of 100 words and a maximum of 500 words for each response. The Scholarship Review Committee heavily weighs the student essay responses, so be sure to put your best effort here. You can save your general application progress at any time by scrolling to the bottom and clicking Save. This will save your application, which you can return to at a later date. When you have completed all of the sections, be sure to type your name and date and click Finish and Submit to submit your completed application. There are a few scholarship opportunities that require additional information from students. You will find these opportunities on your dashboard by clicking Opportunities at the top and then select All. Here you will be able to view any additional opportunities available. Here, you will click the Apply button to review and complete any scholarship-specific questions for each of the Apply To opportunities. Please note the important deadlines listed here, especially the application deadlines. June 1st is the general application deadline. All scholarship awardees will be required to complete the post-acceptance questions and write a thank you to their donor before the deadline to receive their scholarship. Here are some additional tips to keep in mind regarding your letter of recommendation. Be sure to ask someone that knows you well, such as a boss, teacher, pastor, or colleague. Confirm with a reference before you include them in the request for the letter of recommendation. You will also want to confirm that you have the best email for your contact. If your reference has not completed your letter of recommendation, you can send them a reminder in the general application. To maximize your financial award, be sure to complete the FAFSA by visiting www.rccc.edu/complete-FAFSA. If you have any questions regarding completing the FAFSA, set up an appointment with one of our financial aid staff members by visiting the navigation station or visit www.rccc.edu/financial aid. If you need a computer to complete the application, visit the library or the navigation station for additional assistance. Here is a brief outline and some helpful tips regarding the scholarship award process. Students should check their Rowan-Cabarrus email regularly for updates. The Scholarship Review Committee will evaluate applications using a rubric and select students for awards based on the scores and qualifications designated for each scholarship opportunity. Students will receive notification of their award via their Rowan-Cabarrus student email by July. Students must accept the award in the scholarship portal on their dashboard before the deadline noted in the award email. All post-acceptance questions and a thank you letter to the donor must be completed before the deadline. Once the post-acceptance questions and thank you letter have been completed, the Foundation will notify financial aid, who will apply the scholarship to the student's account before the semester begins. If you have any questions or need additional information, you can call the Foundation at 704-216-3876, email us at foundation@rccc.edu, or visit www.rccc.edu/foundation.